In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks and manage your chart of accounts effectively. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just starting out, knowing how to organize financial data is essential for efficient bookkeeping and sound financial management. QuickBooks makes it easy, and I'm here to guide you through the steps. Let's start our journey by visiting the QuickBooks homepage. Open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks website. It's always a good idea to ensure you're logged into your account before we dive in. Once you're set, find the settings icon on your dashboard. Clicking on this will open up a host of options. Think of this as your control center for managing different aspects of your financial records. Now that you're in the settings, the next step is to access the chart of accounts. This section offers a comprehensive view of all your accounts in one place. Imagine it as a roadmap of your financial structure showing every account your business uses to manage its funds. To do this, look for and click on the option labeled Chart of Accounts. Once there, you'll notice a button labeled New. You might be wondering what this is for. Well, anytime you need to add a new account to your books, this is where you start. Click New to begin setting up a new account. The setup process involves several important fields. Start by clicking on Account Name. This is where you provide a unique name for the new account. Be descriptive and specific so anyone who views the account later understands its purpose immediately. Then, if your bookkeeping requires it, you can click on Account Number to add a specific number that can help identify the account in reports and statements. Next, you will select the account type. This is a crucial step because it determines the nature of transactions associated with the account. Is it an asset, a liability, or part of your income or expenses? Pick the type that best matches your intended use. Closely following this, choose the detail type. This is a more granular classification that provides additional clarity about what the account is used for. If your new account is meant to fall under a broader account category, click on Make this a sub-account. This feature allows you to create hierarchies within your accounts, helping you maintain a structured, organized setup. Lastly, it's often helpful to include a description. Click on Description to enter information about the account's role and usage. This enhances understanding for everyone who manages or audits your books. For more advanced options, the Batch Actions menu gives you tools for managing multiple accounts simultaneously. Utilize the Filter by Name feature to quickly search through accounts, saving you time and effort. By following these steps, you ensure your chart of accounts is set up efficiently, paving the way for precise financial reporting and analysis. With practice, navigating this part of QuickBooks will become second nature. Remember, a well-organized chart of accounts is the backbone of your financial data. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.